Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. For this project, it was a project for Netflix and it was a music video to promote their latest feature film in Thailand called Bangkok Breaking. It was a project shot in the evening with a lot of neon, two-toned lighting setups. I drew inspiration from films like Into the Void and Fallen Angels. The project wasn't as raw and as dark as that, but it was just a foundation to kind of build my approach on. Here's a BTS wide of the set. We used an RE35 in the Lomo Illuminas with a black satin 8th. So let's start with the background here. Kind of, you can see these pillars over here, 3 times par cans. And that was just kind of elevating the background a little bit so we weren't shooting into a black hole. This light kind of over here, Forza 300 with grid and snapback, which was kind of coming from the top and just top lighting him, creating a bit of shadow in the face. Coming from the side over here, it's like a back 3/4, and you can see this light over here. We used a 1200D and we had a CTS on 8th, I think it was. In the corner there was a 600D lantern, 600X lantern with cyan, and that was creating the ambience throughout the whole set. It's a tiny little bit over here, tiny little bit over there, and all these rings that I've marked over here, this isn't coming from the Forza 300, this is coming from this 600X. I also had a stereo tube with a grid and snapback, and that was constantly moving with the camera. So we had a steady cam and we were doing handheld, and that was constantly moving in with the camera. And just as a catch light in his eyes, he had a 1200D, 600X with the lantern, 3 park cans, Forza 300. Yeah, that's that for now, and see you on the next one.